14, been up a little bit. Let's check this beautiful day out. Yeah, so I gotta get some glasses today. Friends are coming into town today, so today's gonna be a good day. Got here yesterday, went to a restaurant called Surf Hut, and Surf Hut was really good. So this is good. This is beautiful. This is the life, yeah. It's a rainbow in the sky. Not sure if you can see it. Water's hypnotizing. Good morning, good morning. Today is the 26th. It's Thursday of August. Yep. Friends got here yesterday, and what did I do? All we did once they got here was went to the outlets, shopped. So if you come to Destin, we do have outlets, and you can go shopping. You can buy a lot of things. And what time? Let's see. It's 7:34. I'm the early bird in the house. So what am I doing? I'm going to the beach, because that's what I do. It's like my meditation time. I'm not a big shopper, but yesterday, man, I balled out. As you seen earlier, bought me some Crocs, and these are one of the most comfortable pair of shoes that I've ever had, kicking around in and whatnot. So looks like there's people out here. I think the best time to go to the beach is early in the morning or late in the afternoon. There's people down here walking. So check this view out. Gorgeous. So what do we have planned for today? Honestly, I don't know. Probably going to do some jet skiing. Only got a couple days left. Anytime we go somewhere where there's a beach, jet skiing is mandatory. So most likely do that. After this long walk on the beach. So, but let's enjoy it. Yes, sir. What up, Mish? Yeah. Let's get it. About to get it. 1 hour. Here we go. I got it right here. Misha, does your hand hurt?
Yeah.
Yeah, mine too. That's why I was like, I need to quit. I'm trying to get out in the storm.
Before the storm really hits.
Before the storm hits.
The trees are definitely whipping out here.
Yes. Alright, so it's August 29th. We are at the airport. This is the end of our vacation for Destin. It was a good vacation. We had a good time. Did a few things. Not too much has changed from the last time we came here in 2017. And today we're trying to get out during Hurricane Ida. Hurricane Ida is amongst us. When we left Miramar Beach, which is the actual area that we were staying in, it was extremely windy. Hurricane Ida is supposed to be going up towards New Orleans, but of course, being on the panhandle of Florida, you will feel some of that. So now we're in Panama City. It's not windy here. Hopefully by the time our flight leaves at 5:50, we will be good and clear. Plane will still be able to take off and get home safely. Here's some of the weather. So those are the clouds. So now it feels amazing out here. It feels lovely. So hopefully it's not too much feedback coming in from the wind, because it is quite windy. But yeah, so that's where we stand. Now let's talk about our next vacation. Our next vacation will not be attached to the U.S. It's a possibility it may be a territory of the U.S. I want to go to St. Thomas. It's time to start going other places now. Now that I can. So either St. Thomas or a cruise. If you're watching, stay tuned, keep it locked, like, share, subscribe. If you've been with me from the beginning, things are getting better. I know my other videos aren't as good, but I'm just updating equipment, trying to make things better and learning this cinematography thing. So appreciate everybody watching. Like, share, subscribe. Look forward to the future. Peace.